शिवाजी चौक जंक्शन। Purnima Gurav today attending Super Challenge test rides in entire Vashi roads. Loudly, what is your good name?
My name is Purnima Guru.
कहाँ रही था?
वाशी कनिष्ठ टावर।
आज कौन सा टेस्ट है? 6th टेस्ट चल रहा है।
टेस्ट है।
कौन सा डे का क्लास है?
14th
डे 14 फरवरी। हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे में
thank you.
5th and 6th चैलेंज टेस्ट है सक्सेसफुल कंप्लीटेड। अब सेंट लॉरेंस बस स्टॉप क्रॉस करने के बाद किधर भी विश्व ज्योति सिग्नल में रुकाने का। बाय, टेक केयर, आराम से। आराम से उठाने। एक्सलेंट, सुपर, मिराकल, क्रॉसिंग ऑफ शिवाजी चौक, एक्सलेंट, सो नाइस। एक्सलेंट, सुपर, मिराकल, observation, proper judgment. Now she has taken from Vishwajyoti signal to super. अब भी यहाँ से लेफ्ट टर्न करना। लेफ्ट टर्न करेंगे तो इधर आंध्र बैंक की LIC आता। वहाँ से राइट टर्न करे तो गोल्डन पंजाब आता। गोल्डन पंजाब से सीधा गए तो सर्किल एक बोल के आता। गोल्डन पंजाब सर्किल से लेफ्ट टर्न करने के बाद मैकडोनल्ड सर्किल आता। मैकडोनल्ड सर्किल से इसे राइट टर्न करे तो अभ्युदय बैंक आता। सिग्नल का पहले अभ्युदय का बैंक के पास ऑपोजिट टू मैकडोनल्ड जिधर सेफ है रनिंग में रुकाने का। रनिंग में रुकाने का। जाओ। एट opposite to McDonald, Abhyudaya Bank. Now she is crossing Vishwajyoti Hotel. Independent test rides. This is Golden Punjab Junction. Purnima Gurav today started from sector 1 Ganesh Tower opposite to Abhyudaya Bank, Vashi towards Maharashtra Bank, then Police Chowk, Vashi, turn to Vegetable Market up to Sagar Vihar, U-turn, return back to Shivaji Chowk to return back to Vishwajyoti to again Shivaji Chowk, Ramdev Hotel, again U-turn from Masjid to return Shivaji Chowk to Vishwajyoti, U-turn, again U-turn from Vishwajyoti to St. Lawrence bus stop, then left turn to Andhra Bank LIC towards Golden Punjab. Now she has reaching McDonald Circle. Now she has crossed McDonald, reaching Abhyudaya Bank. ऐसा क्लियर जगह में रुकाने का, रिस्क में रुकाने का नहीं। लेफ्ट साइड ले लो, स्ट्रेट कर। मास्क निकाल दे दो. Yes. Loudly. What is your good name?
My name is Purnima Vagdare,
Where you are residing?
Vashi Ganesh Store, Sector 1.
Very good. What is your highest qualification?
I'm commerce graduate.
Very good. What is the super lovely day of class?
14th day.
What is the date today?
It's 14th Feb 2020.
Yes. 14th day class. 14th February 2021. Wish you happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you and wish you the same, sir.
Today you have attended 5th and 6th. दो टेस्टेड अटेंड किया. Are you ready to able to explain loudly what you have done?
I have done many things today.
Explain.
Okay, I started from my residence and sir told that I will catch you at near Vashi depot, Bhaji market. So you have to go straight and you have to come towards Ramdev Hotel, and then again if it's convenient for you to take a U-turn, you can take U-turn over there. Otherwise go straight and take U-turn toward Sagar Via, near Sagar Via. But I took near Ramdev Hotel and I came to the Bhaji market stop. And
After
then sir told that you have to take a right and go towards Meghdut Meghraj.
Excellent.
And then again go straight towards Navratra and take left and go towards Shivaji Chowk.
Super.
And from Shivaji Chowk again take a left and go straight towards Ramdev Hotel again. And again you take a U-turn and halt at Bhaji market. Then you have to take like this 2 rounds.
Excellent.
So I did
That
the
is
same
5th
way.
test is over.
Yeah.
Then
So-
6th test.
Then 6th test, he met at sir met at Bhaji market. He told you have to go straight towards St. Lawrence and from take a U-turn, and from Vishwajot Hotel again go straight to Sagar Vihar.
Excellent.
And then again you take a U-turn and then you again halt at the Bhaji market, and then
After
again,
that?
after that again one more
Round to the
round towards
St. Lawrence and Vishwajyoti, U-turn.
and U-turn, and from there I came towards Golden Punjab, towards
LIC,
LIC,
Andhra Bank.
Police, Andhra Bank, and then I took a right and came to Golden Punjab.
Excellent.
From there again I took a left and I took a circle and opposite to McDonald's.
Yes.
And up there I'm now
At present opposite to Abudaya Bank,
and
McDonald opposite.
Yeah.
Before signal,
Yes.
before Ganesh Tower. In between of these times,
Yeah.
whatever 5th test, 6th test, whatever you route explain,
Yeah.
at the time, Master Swami is inside,
No.
Smart Mister is inside,
No.
anybody else?
No one.
ज्योति वाटवे आज जज बन के आया क्या?
No.
नहीं आया, खाली वो recommend किया.
हाँ.
Did you expected today you may attended 5th, 6th super challenge test?
No, I didn't expect.
How is today's surprise test of Master
Yeah,
Swami?
it was very nice.
What is the result of Master to Master Miracle course on 14th day, 5th, 6th super challenge test?
Yeah, it builds up the confidence. Yeah, actually, when sir is there, so we don't take much efforts to look in the mirror, side mirrors. But when we are individual, we are alone. We take the precautions that we give the look to the side mirrors and the vehicles coming behind, and so we become little alert. And the safety, the precautions at the junctions, we have to do clutch and we have to go slave. And even when there is pedestrian crossing, we have to go slave. That all the it comes in, it goes in our mind because
Yes.
sir is
That
always.
is called is Master to Master Miracle course.
Yeah.
System ये रहता.
हाँ,
You come with the permanent license
yeah,
to best driving school taking
Yes.
admission.
yes.
How you get the license? Where you get? दो शब्द ही बताने का आंसर.
I took it from Perfect Driving School. I cleared the exam in 4th
How many classes you attended?
21 days.
After
and-
attending of 21 classes, you get the license,
License.
but you are unable to drive the
Yeah.
car.
Yeah.
After that, Jyoti Vatve recommended to join in best driving school.
Yeah,
After taking admission in best driving school,
yeah.
in 14 classes,
Yeah.
you have completed cleared 6 tests
Yes.
independently.
Okay.
What is your dream? Just I want to go to Ramdev Hotel, Mamma's
Mom-
residence, that is enough.
Yeah, I-
But you have entered Vashi, you are drowning.
Yeah, okay.
Are you happy?
Yes,
Are you
I'm
enjoying?
happy. Yes,
Wish you
yes.
best of luck. God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
thank
Happy
you.
journey. Today you got 10 into 10, 100 superstars.
Okay, thank you.
100 to 100 marks. Looks, Queen of Wagner car, enter Vashi, total traffic road, Sivachok, etc. Whatever you explained. Miracle, super, excellent driving.
Okay.
God bless you. Must
Yeah.
bless you. Happy journey.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Thank you.
Today onwards, I am giving part of the award of
Okay.
total award of the best.
Okay.
You can use your car, enter Vashi as you wish today onwards.
Okay.
This is a special award
Okay.
gift on the occasion of special Valentine's Day.
Okay, thank you so much.
God bless you, Master
Yeah,
bless you,
thank
हैप्पी
you.
जर्नी.
Yeah,
अभी यहाँ से आराम से जाके जिधर पार्क सकता पार्क करो, नो कंडीशन.
हाँ.
गो बाय.
Okay, bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, now she is going to residence. Okay, bye Purnima. Ganesh Tower. Excellent. Super crossing of Abhyuday Bank towards her residence, Ganesh Tower. Now she is crossing junction. Super nice crossing. Now she has entered into her society tower front. She is going to park. Excellent. Super nice. Excellent. थोड़ा और दबाने का. और राइट ले लो. और ले राइट. और ले. और ले. अब सीधा कर. स्टॉप. Come outside. Okay, bye.